A total of 3 FIR has been filed in the name of 16 people in Takarjala police station based on Monday incident. After the case was filed, a person named Samrat Debbarma from Takarjala Subash Chandra Village was arrested by the police on Tuesday morning. Takarjala and Jampujala area is in a hot situation based on the incident of the press meet of BJP State President Rajiv Bhattacharjee in Jampujala Bukhari Community Hall on Monday, where the BJP and Tripura workers had a clash. Takarjala Ushi Ratindra Debbarma and the 2 police constables and 11 other BJP workers were injured by the Tripura workers. The house of BJP worker Nirmal Debbarma in Takarjala was attacked. On the other hand, the BJP workers has destroyed 4 bikes and 1 scooty of Tripura workers. One of the Tripura worker was injured in the incident as per the news. A total of 3 FIR has been filed in the name of 16 people in Takarjala police station based on the Monday incident. After the case was filed, a person named Samrat Debbarma from Takarjala Subash Chandra Village was arrested by the police on Tuesday morning. Police took him to the Bisalga police station after he was arrested. MLA Bishwajit Debbarma, MLA Manav Debbarma and other members of Tripura arrived at Takarjala police station on Tuesday afternoon after they heard the news about Samrat Debbarma was arrested by the police. Local MLA Bishwajit Debbarma demanded to release him as soon as possible.
Sir, tamni bagai tini piasa kotuman na karon tamni bagai karon lupa sih.
Actually, ano gutom sama ka, Mia Chini Rombora Takarjala kasi incident ng tangka. The incident Mia usaka, abo, ane unfortunate. Kay lupa tini bisungan no, ada hadin ka. Awan bisungan actually Mia horni price item di giwa Chini borok korosan borok romi di kaya. Polis thani romi ka. Actually a borok kuno gotna wo dori tokri. Bini terus kini tes telega mohla soalnya. Ini jeng orang SD bisa fajar, kaya osi tong box sahaja, kaya jeng nayo cini ada santi dong. Karena santi kiri jeng kaya jeng area baru buku beta mana beach jeng tu nayo boleh kan. Gak mungkin jeng baru beach pulih jeng box sahaja. Ini bawang datu jeng sekolah tu kami novel jeng tim box sahaja. I think so jeng coding sih mana jeng sekolah tu mana. Kaya jab area ni kita tiang job mana. Tanggai sudah tiba ramot mungkin nayo ramdan ni. Tanggai bisik ni korom ya. What is the public question? Government is discussion with Kalega Kisa. So let's see, Bronobo action manana, I'm because of the Yagano, the same. Ambekuno, Alavan Polja, the Governor Republic of the Republic and that is see, let's see. Niger Tatakoi.
Apa tu korupsi rom jaka emne?
Korupsi nongka, the Bro Sabo. Cuma cengomong saka, case tu je pun riman, but investigation tu police in thani. Actually investigation kerja kaya orang orang jenis marom naik mana?
Kamu sakapan bisa?
Ini borok tu dikhair rom kau high level ni, oh romi doh kata apa tu bono tu naik, ibu nak pakai tu cuma mati tadi, awak cuma sponsor nanti.
Tini shop sama mana kau jaga sir?
Nora pakai sini lokal itu tong pakai sini tapi order tong, sini youth leader tong suruh, dari sini beri mau kalau tong, dari sini tu blok presiden, orang nakar, dari sini. Positive discussion. So let's see some good in Nashing money for it. Dodocini, once someone in Yanka, Babono Tubia, Babono, take to Kayan, take a Tarona Brock Town. On Bagay, Chini, Jung, on Bagay Prostitute Tongo, I teach them Kevin Yakala, Nakatan, the operation mine, Nakasum, Tanagapons and Kanyabachini, mentality is already dedicated.
Takarjala area is still in a hot situation regarding this incident, which is why huge number of police and TSR has been deployed in that area. Reported by Ashok from Takarjala, Chini Khorang.